Hello everyone, this is Julie here from laserscroll.com. Now our patterns can be cut from a laser cutting machine, a CNC router, a plasma cutting machine, and of course manually using a scroll saw or a jigsaw, whatever means really that you choose. We even have a lady who cuts our patterns with an X-Acto knife and uses decks of cards for materials. So the sky is the limit. Today we're going to take a look at the 1935 Cadillac Fleetwood, which was originally manufactured by the Cadillac division of General Motors. Now, of course, this particular model is the 1935 edition of the Cadillac Fleetwood. And then just a little bit of history. The Fleetwood name was previously used as a prefix on several of Cadillac's models dating back to 1935, so this model was actually one of the first of its kind. It's a very attractive four-door, and the doors do open. And it's a V8 sedan with lots of space inside and some very fine detail. Bring it up a little bit so you can see. This pattern, when made in 1/8 inch or 3mm material, is roughly 18.9 inches in length when completed, and about 7.5 inches wide, and roughly 7.5 inches high. Let's take a look at the bottom here a little bit. Let's give you a little rough look at it. And of course you can paint this model to suit your needs. The largest part in 1/8 inch size also for this Cadillac is around 16.3 inches by about 7 inches. So you'll want to check the bed of your machine to make sure that works for you. And of course you can scale the slots to a larger size or a smaller size depending on how you want to go. But the 1/8 inch is the standard size for a tabletop model at completion. And there's the front. Pretty good detail, like I said earlier. Please check out our YouTube channel, which is MakeCNCworkshops.com TV, and subscribe. Well, I hope you enjoyed my first product video on the 1935 Cadillac Fleetwood. There are lots more exciting and informative new videos coming soon, so keep checking back. Good luck and happy CNCing.